Mastering the Art of Making Money Online, your ultimate guide. Welcome to Mastering the Art of Making Money Online, an educational video designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills to generate income from the comfort of your own home. In this guide, we will explore proven strategies and opportunities that can open doors to online success. So, let's dive in. 1. Identify your strengths and passion. The first step in making money online is recognizing your unique strengths and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This self-reflection will guide you toward finding the perfect online opportunity that aligns with your skills and interests. Research lucrative online ventures. The internet offers a plethora of opportunities to monetize your skills. Research various platforms such as freelance websites, online marketplaces, and e-commerce platforms to understand their potential for generating income. Explore the demand for your chosen skills and identify the platforms that can connect you with potential clients or customers. Build your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients or customers. Create a professional website that showcases your skills and services. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience and promote your offerings. Remember, a well-crafted online presence builds trust and credibility. Network and collaborate. Networking is key to unlocking new opportunities and expanding your reach. Attend industry-related events, both online and offline, to connect with like-minded professionals. Join online communities or forums where you can learn from others and establish valuable connections. Collaboration with others can lead to mutually beneficial projects and further enhance your online income potential. Create valuable content. Content is king in the online world. Leverage your expertise to create valuable content that attracts and engages your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or online courses, sharing knowledge and insights will establish you as an authority in your field and help monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or direct sales. Now it's time to monetize your skills and content. Explore different options such as freelancing, consulting, or offering online services directly to clients. Consider affiliate marketing by partnering with companies and promoting their products. You can also create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or stock photos, to generate passive income. Stay curious and adapt. The online landscape is ever evolving. To stay ahead, it's important to continually learn and adapt. Invest in your personal and professional growth by reading books, attending online courses, and staying updated on industry trends. Adapt your strategies as needed, experimenting with new ideas and embracing emerging technologies. By following these steps and dedicating yourself to the process, you can unlock the incredible potential of making money online. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with persistence, creativity, and a passion for learning, you can achieve financial freedom from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching, Mastering the Art of Making Money Online. We wish you all the best on your journey to online success.